Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'll share a festive makeup look and it's gonna be very simple and easy that you can create this look very easily and guys, I'll make more videos on this festive makeup look. So today's video is festive makeup look part 1. I'll start this video guys, but before this you quickly do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell sign just next to it. Also, you can share my videos with all of your friends. You guys can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Now, let's start this video. After cleaning, toning and moisturizing, I have applied this Color Primer. And now, I'll apply this CC cream and this foundation together because I wanna keep my makeup look very simple. So I'll mix these two products together and then I'll apply it on my face and neck. Now I'll blend it with this wet beauty blender. Now I'll apply concealer, so for that I'll use this. After under eye area, I'm using it wherever I have dark spots. And that's it. Now I'm blending it with the same beauty blender. Don't drag it, okay? Only you have to dab it like this. Now I'll apply compact and for that I'll use this purple compact. Now I'll apply eyeshadow and for that I'll use this palette. For crease line, I'll take this color. Now I'll take this brown shade and I'll apply it from my outer corner of eyes. Now I'll take this color. Now I'll apply this golden color on my middle eyelid. Now I'll apply this color on my lower lash line. I have applied eyeliner and kajal with the help of this Plum Nature Studio Kohal Kajal. And now I'll apply mascara. Now I'll contour with this contour palette. Now I'll apply blush and from here I'll take this color. Now I'll apply highlighter. lastly I'll wear lipstick. And this is my final look. I just hoping you have found this video helpful. If yes, then please give one like to this video and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell sign to get all the updates from my channel. Also, you can share my videos with all of your friends. I'll come with a new video. Till then, stay happy and blessed. Love you all. Bye-bye. Bye.